Menteri Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma ulalit jurip ya kejingtai ke Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University. Ulalit jurip gru ya ke College of Architecture Urban Planning Balagre Kabadan Hajan Damalgre ha Southwest Garo Hills. Kani kejinglit jurip kalong ban ya kendu ikinong shna ban pinstep na Woodwood kenang ban yo ban play ya ka ha ka arpuway terik kulalengkot arjar arpuar ha kejingdap Sunpost Nem Kejela Meglaya.
Yeah, we have come here today along with our Member of Parliament and other local leaders to see the work of the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University and the College of Architecture and Urban Planning. And from what we have seen, the work is going on very fast and more than 80% of the work has been completed. And we are targeting that we should complete all the work within this calendar year, and our purpose is to really inaugurate this building along with many other projects on the 21st of January 2022, which will see the 50 years of statehood of our state. So that is a target. So keeping that in mind, we have called the contractors and other officials, and we are satisfied with the work, but we are putting pressure on the contractor to not let the work slow down, and that we should complete this on time.